Can I safely wear a diastasis rehab splint during pregnancy? My pregnant clients ask me, can I safely wear a diastasis rehab splint during pregnancy? My answer, yes, you can wear my diastasis rehab splint during pregnancy, but it is recommended to start wearing it in your second trimester of pregnancy. I'm Julie Tupler, creator of the research and evidence-based Tupler Technique to treat diastasis recti, which is a separation of your abdominal muscles. Wearing a diastasis rehab splint will make your diastasis smaller during your pregnancy. And having a smaller diastasis will help you push more effectively in labor, as well as prevent an unnecessary C-section, back pain, and other numerous side effects of diastasis recti. There is a video on my website under resources and then Tupler videos showing you how to put on a splint during your pregnancy, and that link is shown down below. I also have what's called extenders that you can add to the elastic arms of the diastasis rehab splint as your belly grows. To learn more about how to make your diastasis smaller, you can click on the link below and get a free copy of my Tupler tips. So there's two links below, one to show you how to put on the splint during your pregnancy, and the other one to get a free copy of your Tupler tips. Thanks so much for listening.